One of the features of WorshipKit Pager is we have two apps, one for Windows and one for Mac, that allow you to display the pages that are sent from various devices. To access this download, you'll go to worshipkit.com and click on Downloads. It will start the download automatically for your platform, and you can drag that file in the Finder on Mac into your Applications folder. From the Applications folder, you'll double-click it. You can enter your credentials. Log in. It'll show your church. It'll show your available ministries. I'm going to choose the Parkway campus. I'm going to update the appearance to use the position and font that I want to use. And then I'm going to update that. You'll see it appear up here. It's connected. You'll just see Pager in the menu bar. To control it, you can go to Settings or you can quit. It'll give you an up to the moment status here. So you can control it from there. And then when someone logs in on the dashboard, for instance, I can go to the Parkway campus, which is the campus I selected. I can enter some text and hit send. It will appear on any of my attached screens. Not the main screen, but it'll appear on my other screens that are attached. And then I can clear it and it'll wipe it out. And then I can quit Pager, and now it's no longer running.